Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be making a bacon, mushroom, and spinach omelet. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for watching today on whatever platform you're watching me on. I appreciate that. Like I said, we're going to be making a very special omelet today. It's bacon, mushrooms, and spinach with a couple of cheeses in there. Let's drop down here and see what the ingredients are for this. 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 2 slices of bacon cooked, half a cup of mushrooms, 1 tablespoon of minced shallots, half a teaspoon of minced garlic, half a teaspoon of fresh thyme, 1 teaspoon of fresh rosemary, 3 tablespoons of butter. We're going to split that up. Juice from a half a lemon, 1 cup of fresh spinach, a little bit of salt and pepper along the way, 2 tablespoons of shredded parm, and 2 tablespoons of shredded pepper jack cheese, 4 eggs, and some fresh thyme to garnish it. Alright, we got everything laid out. The recipe is in the description box for the first pinned comment. Don't forget to look for that. So let's head over to the stove and start cooking. Alright, we see we got our mise en place all ready to go over there with our ingredients and the tools that we're going to need. We got our pan set up on the stovetop right here, one for the mushrooms and the bacon and stuff, and one here we're going to cook our omelet in. So I'll go ahead and set up our pan and we'll start cooking. Alright, I got the bacon grease in here. I cooked the bacon already, as you can see right here. It's all ready to go, but it's still got that grease in there. So I'm going to pour our olive oil in there and our mushrooms, and we're just going to cook those off first. Alright, those mushrooms are cooking really nice. I'm going to add our shallots. Our thyme, rosemary, half the butter, and the garlic in last. Stir that up. Once that becomes really fragrant, I'm going to go ahead and add our bacon back in. Throw your wilt your lettuce in here. Throw the lemon juice in. You're just gonna let that spinach. I say spinach. I'm sorry, spinach in there. You want to let that wilt. You throw your lemon juice in there. Throw a little salt and pepper in there. We just put this pan right over the top, and we'll let that lettuce wilt. Spinach wilt. Stir it up really nice. Look at all that flavor in there. Boy, that looks and smells good. Alright, now let's look good. We'll move over to our next step now. Turn your burner off. Alright, we got our filling for our omelet now. So I'm going to go ahead and put the burner on here for our egg pan. About a medium high. We'll put the rest of our butter in this one. Go ahead and crack our eggs in a bowl. Whip them up really well. Alright, butter's starting to boil. Let me get it all over the pan. Add your eggs. Salt and pepper in there. You just want to cook your eggs. I'm going to turn the heat up a little bit, get this going right before we mess it up. filling. Plate it up. There we go. I'm gonna go ahead and finish it up, put some stuff on there and make it real pretty, take our pictures, and then we'll come back and taste it. Don't go away. All right, let's check this delicious omelet out. Bacon, mushrooms, rosemary, thyme, garlic, Parmesan, and jack cheese. Let's get a look at the inside here. Look at that. Oh, that smells fantastic too. I'll go ahead and grab some of this on a fork and we'll see what it tastes like. You can't go wrong. Bacon, the mushrooms are sauteed perfectly in that butter. Thyme, garlic, delicate eggs. A lot of contrast in there. Creaminess of the eggs and the cheese. You got that bite of the bacon, the meatiness of the mushrooms. Yeah, look at that. That is fantastic. Fantastic. Alright. I'll finish eating this after I'm done shooting. Now, don't forget, check out the comment section or the first pinned comment for the recipe for this. It is a printable recipe. Don't forget to check out my seasoning store over on itsonlyfood.biz. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching on whatever platform you are enjoying this on. Take care of yourselves. We'll see you again real soon.
These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen.